Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi. I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the chip deflector from the planer. The brushes are located behind the brush caps. Next, I'll remove the brush cap. With the cap removed, I can remove the brush. Now I can install the new brush. I'll align the brush with the brush holder. Insert the brush into the holder. Compress the spring while aligning the tabs with the holder. Then I'll hold the brush in place and slide the cap over the top of it. And now I'll secure the cap. I like to rotate the caps backwards to align the threads and then secure them. Be careful to not over-tighten the cap or you can break it. And I'll repeat this process on the brush on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the chip deflector. And that's how easy it is to install new carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.